For question number 33, we have to find the equation of the line which bisects the line segment joining the points A and B. Okay, let's say this is the required line. Now it's bisecting a line joining the points A and B. So let's say this is point A, this is point B. So point coordinates of point A are 2, 3, 4, and coordinates of point B are 4, 5, 8. And this is our required line. And let the Cartesian equation of this line be x minus x1 by A is equal to y minus y1 by B is equal to z minus z1 by C. Okay, so this, let's say this is the required equation of the line. And if I'm able to get the point through which it passes, which of course is the midpoint because it says that it bisects the line segment joining the points. That means this line passes through point D. So now the coordinates of D is the midpoint of AB, and coordinates of D is x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 2 divided by and y coordinate is y1 plus y2, y1 plus y2 plus y3 divided by 2, and z1 plus z2 plus z3 divided by 2. Okay, x1 is 2. This is actually x1 plus x2 divided by 2 because we have the coordinates of D would be x1 plus x2 divided by 2, y1 plus y2 divided by 2, and z1 plus z2 divided by 2. Now x1 plus x2, 2 plus 4 is 6 divided by 2, y1 plus y2, 3 plus 5 is 8 divided by 2, and 8 plus 4 is 12 divided by 2, which gives me 3, 4, and 6. So the coordinates of D are 3, 4, and 6. So coordinates of D are 3, 4, and 6. Now this required line, it passes through 3, 4, and 6. So that means these are x1, y1, and z. And this equation of the line becomes x minus 3 by A is equal to y minus 4 by B is equal to z minus 6 by P. Now C. That is, we have to find the ratios, direction ratios now, which are A, B, and C. And for that, there are two more conditions that are given, that this line is perpendicular to the lines. Now, this line is perpendicular to two more lines, and the equation of these two lines are given. And the equation of the first line is x minus 8 by 3 is equal to y plus 19 by minus 16 is equal to z minus 10 by 7. Okay, and this, the equation of the second line is x minus 15 by 3 is equal to y minus 29 by 8 is equal to z minus 5 by negative 5. And these are the direction ratios A1, A2, A1, B1, C1 of this line. Let's say this is A1, B1, C1, and these are A2, B2, C2. Now, this line is perpendicular to this one, so that means the sum of the product of the direction ratios, that is A into A1 plus B into B1 plus C into C1, should be equal to 0. Now this means that it's 3A minus 16B plus 7C is equal to 0. Also, this line is perpendicular to this one. So A into A1, so which gives me 3A 3A plus 8B and negative 5C is equal to 0. So these are two equations, and we have to solve these equations to get the value of A, B, and C. So 3A minus 16B plus 7c and 3a plus 8b minus 5c. Okay, to get the value, because these equations have three variables a, b, and c, so that means we should have three equations, but instead of this, we have two equations. And so we will try to get the ratios of a, b, and c. So I'm going to write this as a, b, and c. Going to start with middle term, which is negative 16, then 7, then 3. In negative 16, it's 3, negative 5, 3, and 8. Okay, let's cross multiply this and subtract, multiply and subtract. So which gives me a negative 16 into negative 5 is 80 minus 8 into 7 is 56, and b is equal to 7 3s are 21 plus 15 is equal to c. This is 24 plus 16 3s are is 48. So this gives me a. This is 424 b upon 36 and c upon 72. Okay, and for this we can take 12 common. So it's a by 2, b by 3 is equal to c by 4 or 6. 12 6 are 72. So this is 8 by 2. So we can write a, let's say this is something equal to k. So this is a is equal to 2k, b is equal to 3k, and c is equal to 6k. So if we put the respective values in this equation, our required equation of line becomes x minus 3, and a was 2k, 3k, ck. So 2k, 3k, and 6k. So we can write this as y minus 4 by z minus 6 by 6 is equal to k. And finally, this equation becomes x minus 3 by 2, y minus 4 by 3 is equal to z minus 6 by 6. This is the required equation of the line. This is z. So x minus 3 by 2, y minus 4 by 3, and z minus 6 by 6 is the required equation of the line.